Hello, in front of me I've got Toyota Avensis. In this video I'll show you where can you find toolset location. To find toolset location in your car, lift up trunk. And now, right here we've got two compartments, left and right. We can lift those compartments floor. Here you can find some tools, and same on the other side. Next, take a look at the bottom of the trunk. Lift it up, and here we can find necessary keys and tools, emergency triangle, first aid kit, lift, and under we can find spare tire. The spare tire is not the same size as the car tires. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.